Okay, I'm going to add a couple quarts of AC Delco whatever FFL-4 fluid to my C8 Corvette. I don't feel like taking the trunk all apart. I'm doing it a different way. I bought an inexpensive brake bleeder on Amazon.com. I bought this particular one because the pump unit is up on top and is not exposed to whatever fluid you're pumping. The fluid in this case is more or less ATF. I've adapted the plug that fills the tranny. This is on the side of the tranny just below the driver's side half shaft. I've drilled it and tapped at 1/8 inch pipe for a radiator type drain valve. You see these on radiators back in the day, and it's got a nipple on it so you can put a hose on it. I very crudely adapt the hose to fit the air disconnect that comes off the brake bleeder. And the whole idea here is I'm going to hook this up to the side of the tranny, pressurize it to a couple psi, and squirt 2 quarts of fluid in through that filler plug. And of course you can't remove the filler plug after you've done this because it would just all run out the side. So I'll leave the filler plug in place, tighten this valve in a clockwise direction, make sure it's tight, and then pull the hose off and leave it there.